Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be testing out, I don't know if I've reviewed this or not. It is Clé de Peau, and this is the Tint Fluid Natural or Radiant Fluid Foundation. And here it is. I can't remember if I have or not, but we're going to do it again even if I have. I think I reviewed another one. So look at this. Let me see if I can get in close. You see that? Used a new product last night and it did not like my skin. I've got it here as well, this rash of breakouts. Won't be using that again. I know you want to know what it is. The only reason I never say anything is because something that would break me out probably wouldn't break you out. And therefore it doesn't really give any indication of if a product is good or not because somebody broke out. You know, everybody is different. I'm gonna try shade 40. And the reason being is because my skin has a bit more color in it, and also because a slightly deeper foundation will take away redness. So I'm going to dot it on and we'll see where we go with it. So let's make a little start. So I probably could have gone down a shade, absolutely, but this will work because I can bronze up the neck. Now I've used one pump here so we can get an indication of how much it covers with just one pump. Now the thing with Clé de Peau, there's no doubt that the quality of it is so good. It is so good, and it comes with a very, very high price point. But the only negative for me is the fragrance. I'm not a fan of fragrance, but each to their own. So I'm just going to use the last little drop of this kind of one pump, and then we're going to go in with two pumps. So this is a natural looking foundation. It does have a medium coverage. So it does give a surprising amount of coverage. It really does. Okay, let's have a little looky. That's a nice finish. It needs some powder because there's too much shine. So I'm actually just going to go in. We'll add another pump. And I'm just going to go in now directly with the brush to give it a more full coverage effect. So see how it looks on the skin. So you can see the difference between face and neck. It is definitely a different color, but I can deal with that. Now when it comes to those areas, God, it was a really strong product that I used and it just did not work for me. What a pisser. Never mind. Get the last little bits. So over those areas that where I had that kind of breakout rash, I'm just stippling it over those areas just to build up some coverage. So now what I need to do is take down the shine because there's too much shine going on and I need to bronze my neck. Okay, so I'm actually going to use the Clé de Peau powder since I have it. And it's very nice, it's very fragrant. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of powder, come on. Okay, so I'm going to mat it all down. I love powder, I do. I think makeup looks so much more finished and beautiful with powder. Oh, it's everywhere. And also when you powder skin, you take away areas of the face that you may not be overly fond of, because when anything's shiny, it makes everything stand out that can be bothersome to you. So what I'm going to do is just bronze up the neck slightly, just so it matches, and then we'll add a little color. It is morning, by the way. It's pretty early in the morning. Okay, so I'm just going to start to warm up the neck a little bit. I hate having a shower in the morning. Now I'm going to have to, because I'm doing this, you know. And I'm using Tom Ford here, which is this Beauty here. And I'm just going to warm it up, and then I'm going to take that onto these sides, not being particularly careful, and certainly not trying to contour, but just giving a bit more warmth to the face so that everything looks like it belongs to the same face. Now a touch of colour. Okay, so let's add a poppet of colour. Just a smattering to the face. And I'm going to take that sponge and I'm just going to go over where I put that colour and then knock it off, and then just, let's have a look at this. Okay, the foundation is so nice. I mean, it's so expensive, but it is so nice. The coverage is lovely. If you are looking for a foundation that has a very dewy finish to it, that is the foundation to pick. It's pretty dewy. I had nothing on my skin prior to this, no moisturizers, no serums, nothing. And it had a very dewy effect. When matted down, of course, that immediately goes away. But it's a beautiful foundation. Even though there's a scent to it, I didn't find it overwhelming when it's on the skin. But there is that scent to it, and not everybody is a fan, but it is a beautiful product. I mean, look at that powder as well. It's gigantic. It's really, really nice. How much do you get in there? 26 grams. It's just a lovely product, but really pleased. Look at that. That's really nice. Let me just zoom in so you can still see where that kind of rash area is. Oh, that was an evil product. Evil. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Let me know what you think of Clé de Peau. I really like it. I've not actually tried any of their color. I've only tried the complexion products in terms of things like foundations and concealers. I've not tried any of the highlighters or the blushes or eyeshadows. I'd love to know what you think. If you tried them, let me know. Right, it's time to put some glasses on so I can see. Thanks very much for watching. Appreciate it, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.